Welcome. Everyone is an OUKITEL OT11, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this tablet. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then on one of the pages where you have toggles, you'll find the screen recorder. You might need to swipe to the left a couple times before you can see it. For me, as you can see, it's on the third page. Once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It will bring up this window letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded, and also allows you to enable the touches on the screen so they get recorded as a semi-transparent gray dot. I'm not going to turn on audio, but obviously if you want to, just toggle it on, and also under the drop-down menu you can choose what audio will be recorded. We have device, microphone, or both. Anyway, next you want to select start. This begins a 3-second countdown and then starts recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Let's open up maybe something like a launcher right here. Once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications again and click right here on the stop. This will save your screen recording to your Photos application, which is in the Google folder, or should be. I guess it's not in here. So let's see if I can quickly find it. Oh, there we go. So it's in a folder called Folder. Okay. Now I believe by default it probably is in the Google folder and not in whatever that was. But anyway, once you open up your photos, you can now navigate to Collections, and in here you'll find album called Movies. Click on it, and here is the screenshot that I have, or screen recording that I have captured, and it's already playing back. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.